so much pleasure. She just opened my zipper too. And now what's she trying to do? You're really happy. Is this a goose play toy, Sonny? Yeah? It's a goose play toy. It's a zipper. Oh my God. How much fun can you have with a zipper? You can start doing it again, or this is over? We're done playing with the zipper. Okay. Maybe not. Okay. Little nibble, little goodbye nibble, and there we go, like a prima donna going off. And there's our adopted chicken as well that is actually able to stand on one foot now.